Hi, today I'm going to show you a functionality and our innovation to create a campaign and send email to them. The users are going to get email who all are present in our campaign. Imagine if you have to send email to 2 people or 10 people or let's say 15 people, then it is easy to send. But if you want to send an email to hundreds of people, it becomes quite hectic to type all those email address and send them the same thing. Here's the solution to that problem. In this innovation, we have made a project for real estate and we have segregated our user according to their market and type of buyer. Similarly, we have made an email blast app in which we have made list of buyers and all subscribers in that list, which can be in thousands, will receive the email. It saves a lot of time and the workflow is streamlined without taking much pain. So I'm going to give you a demo on this. In our cash buyers app, first of all, I'm going to add a cash buyer and let's create an item for this app. I'm going to give a name here, let's say test developer. Buyer's entity name, you can give your buyer's entity name. I'll type here test buyer entity. You can give your phone number. And email address is very important, so you must fill your email address developer@concept to code.in. So this is my email address, developer@concept to code.in. You can paste your website also. Example, I will paste here google.com. Now here you can fill all those information, for example, type of investor, target areas, what your price is, and what type of properties do you want, how will you pay, let's say cash. And this is the important thing, that what is your market or in which field you want to create your campaign. So here I'll select Atlanta and cash buyer and let's save this item. As we'll save this item and campaign is going to get created in our MailChimp. So MailChimp is an application which automates all those things and it creates campaigns and send emails. So here I have added the task also. So here you can see in the right hand side commenting, showing a comment that the subscriber with email ID which I have put here, that developer@concept2code.in has been added to the list Atlanta cash buyer. So we have made a list by concatenating our market and type of buyer, Atlanta cash buyer, and the list ID is, so this is the unique ID for this list, which is Atlanta cash buyer. Now let's check in MailChimp that the developer@concept2code.in has been added to our list or not. So this was our list, Atlanta cash buyer, and let's check out this list. So this is the list, and see developer@concept2code.in, first name test and last name developer. It's been added from here. Now we can add another member also. We can make a new item to add a subscriber in our list, or we can update the previous item also. I'm going to show you a list Atlanta agent with buyers. It does not have any subscriber here. Now I'm going to add our developer in this list. So let's select Atlanta agent with buyers. So the subscriber with email ID developer@concept2code.in has been added to the list. As I said, Atlanta agent with buyers. Now let's just check the list. Atlanta agent with buyers. I'm going to refresh it. And as you can see, a subscriber in our list Atlanta agent with buyers has been added, which is developer@concept2code.in, first name test, last name developer. So now if you want to send email to that segment. So you need to create an item in our email blast app. So email blast app is basically that app where you can select your list and you can send email to all those members who are currently present in that list. So I'm going to add item of this app. So subject line of the email, let's say I'll test subject line of email. Address, now we have to add an address. Make sure that you are adding a correct address. Property image, I'll add a test property image. Let's say this. So we have added our property image over here. Similarly, you can add walkthrough video or you can add more property image to link. Here I'll add google.com. You can add details. So I'll write here test details of the property. You can describe your property over here. I will add bathrooms, for example, say 4 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms, property type, living area. These fields describe your property which you want to sell or buy. Built in here. So now I'm going to save my item of our email blast app. So this is our property address, this is our subject line of the email, and this is our property image. Now if you want to create a campaign, so we need to select a list. So here I'll select Atlanta cash buyer. I'll select that list in which our subscriber is added. So our subscriber test developer has been added in Atlanta cash buyer. So before creating a campaign, you can create a PDF also. So I'll create a PDF here. And let's wait till the PDF is being created. So here, as you can see, a PDF has been attached to this item, and this is test subject line of the email PDF. Now we'll open this PDF, and as we have opened this PDF, you can see it is showing properties. So it is showing that properties which are present in our deal marketing app. So these are the all 4 properties which are shown in this PDF. Now let's send email to our client or to our email address. Now sending email will send this campaign to our email. As you can see, all the leads present in our deal marketing app, all the properties, they have been referenced here, and flyers sent to all Atlanta cash buyer list. I'm going to check whether I have received that email or not. So let's check it. To find out that where, and see here we have got the mail. And this is the email which I have got. And this is all are the properties which we have got in our email address. So this is how our Cashbar app and email blast app works. So we have to send an email to many people. You can just make the list and add those people or their email address in that list, and you can automatically send the email with the same content to all those people who are present or subscribed to that list. So this was all about the working of our Cashbar and email blast app. Please go through the description to contact us, or you can go through the link to schedule a meeting now. Thank you.